a short and quick video about this Watson bra that I made out of what was left of the fabric from my Mintu top, which I will link below. Super comfy. I love this pattern. I did the long line for this version. I have not made the long line for myself before. I've made it for others. And what was nice about this is literally every piece of this bra I had in my stash, which is awesome, which I was like, go me for ordering things in bulk, because I made like a few different bras, which is stuff from my stash, which is so great. So lesson learned, when you have to order elastic or something for a bra pattern, don't order exactly how much you need, just order a bunch of it. Stuff like that is always good to have on hand. So I like these little rose gold findings, some nice sturdy strap elastic. I don't remember if this pattern is lined or not, but I did not do a lining on this. I really love the way the elastic like scoops into the back, and again I had these hooks in my stash as well. I love the fun checkered, large scale checkered print. I feel like I could almost wear this as a top, but it looks a little too bra-ish, but it fits great, feels great on. I think it's cute with tops that are super scooped on the sides, where you can see the little peak of the print under there. Really fun. So no dancing today because, I don't know, I can't dance in my underwear on the internet, you guys. I can dance on the internet. I can dance in my underwear, but I can't dance in my underwear on the internet, y'all. Forgive me, please. There's some weirdos out there, okay? And let me just show you the insides. So no linings here. Everything is just stitched and turned. I constructed all of the body seams with my serger, and then everything is just lined with elastic and turned. Super easy instructions on this cloth habit pattern. A great staple pattern for if you make undies of any kind. A great staple pattern to have in your stash. Thank you so much for joining me this week in the studio, Amy Nicole Studio at. Thank you so much for watching this video of my latest meme made. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking this button right here, and check out my handmade closet playlist right here so you can see everything else that I've made so far. I hope you'll join me next time for my next handmade closet video.